I'm just wondering, am I the only one who is suffering this? Uh, I don't even know how to call it, but I don't know. Have you guys ever? By the way, this is my 2023 Harley Sportster S in all its glory. I know it hasn't been on the channel for a little bit, but yeah, it's summer, busy, work, family, life, God, pretty much everything. But there's something that I want to show you guys, and I don't know if anyone has been suffering from this. So, as you guys know, everybody know on this channel, all these mods that I've done to the bike, and I rock the Peak Design phone holder. I love it, guys. Bike is a little dirty. I have not washed this bike. As a matter of fact, I have not washed this bike ever since I bought it. This is just the truth that I'm speaking. Yep, I have not washed it. I will wipe it down, get it very good clean. But as far as wash, the only time I get washed is when I get caught in the rain. And the last time that I got caught in the rain, guys, I was drenched. It wasn't even rain. I was drenched. So it was not even funny, but I haven't washed it. It's still dirty. I have the dogs in the garage, so I don't even want to waste my time. But anyways, I don't know if anyone is suffering here. Check this out. This is my Peak Design phone holder, right? And this is my iPhone 16 Plus. And guys, I don't know if you guys can see this on camera. You see the cover that covers the camera lens. This is the second time that I have changed it, because as you guys know, there is no protection. There is no windshield, proper windshield. I mean, I have this little wind deflector that I picked up from Amazon, and I think it looks good, man. What do you guys think? It looks very good. It brings a little character to the bike. But I really don't have like a windshield, which I don't want it, because it will aesthetically, I just don't want it. It don't look good to me. I have seen some Sportster S with some, windshields. I mean, kudos to them, but I don't like it personally. So let me just get it out of the way. And I'm not against it. I think it throws off the looks of the bike, period. So, but strangely, sometimes I rock it in a landscape mode, just like so. And sometimes I will rock it in portrait mode, like so. But this is the second time that I have swapped out the cover right there. Because anytime I'm riding on the street, I have like little chips. Sometimes I can feel it like hitting my thighs, my legs and stuff like that. And I can only imagine if I didn't have this cover. I mean, I have about 4 of those. I picked it up from Amazon. So I have, I keep swapping them out. But I don't know if anyone is suffering from what I am suffering, because if you have any idea how I can protect it, because now I'm about to upgrade to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and you guys know that the lens extends from all the way here, pretty much the entire, top piece of the phone, it's glass, whatever they call it, but I'm a little concerned because I know it's not going to last. I know for sure that it will not last if I upgrade, to that phone. And I'm just wondering if you guys have been suffering from what I've been suffering from, or this same issue. Just leave a comment down below. Let me know what I can do. I don't know if I can buy something and just, put it here to, block the rocks and the chips from, hitting me. I mean, I have this Kemimoto phone holder. And it's pretty much the same thing, because you're getting direct hit from the road. So it's pretty much the same thing. And honestly, I can't even use this because this will not fit the Pro Max. The phone is way too big. So it can only fit the regular phones, maybe the if it's 16 or 15 or whatever, but the pros, but it will not fit the max. So if you guys have any recommendation or anything that I can do to help me, mitigate these, damages that I've been getting, because sometimes, there is no protection here and I get hit both sides, rocks, chips will hit my jeans, my jacket, from top to bottom. So, and sometimes I even, wonder if I'm gonna be having like damages on this, but these are made with a strong plastics. It's not a metal. Oh, I mean, I'm sorry, glass, but these are very, strong, plastics. But if I didn't have those cover on the lens, guess what? These phones would have been gone. I'm probably gonna be buying like new phones, which you can't do that. I use this phone for video, content creation from time to time. I'll have it with me. I'll whip it out, and then get down to business. So it helps. I think I've even made a short film with iPhone before. That was the old ones. So you guys can imagine with these new technologies and all the stuff that we have on the phones now, but yeah, that's that's what I wanted to give you guys some quick update. If you guys have had any experience as far as having your phone crack with the phone holder, I mean, I know they have some other brands, but I think I like this more because the case itself is very slick. It has this cutout here that you can put your your finger. I don't know if I can do it with my hand. Oh, there you go. You can hold it, but I don't use it. The case itself is very slick. Look at it. It's very sleek, very thin, very low profile. So I like it. And on top of that, you have this phone mount. It has a damper in there already. So you don't have to worry about getting your lens, damaged or anything like that. So I love the Peak design. I think I made a video dedicated just for that. They're not affiliate. They're not, paying me to make this video or say what I'm saying. But this is my only issue, and I know the other ones that they have on the market. I don't want to say no names. I mean, it's still mounted the same way. So I'm pretty sure somebody is gonna suffer pretty much the same thing that I'm suffering. So if you guys have any idea on how to, mitigate, I've been searching to see if I can find some kind of plastic just to put it, mount it somewhere over here. And I don't know, man. Besides the windshield or wind deflector, whatever, this is very small. It doesn't do nothing, but aesthetically, it looks very good. So like I said, just leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have any ideas, suggestion that can help me, because I'm getting ready to upgrade to the new phone and I do not want to damage that phone. Now I'm thinking about putting the phone in my pocket because I don't want to crack the lens, but I use it for navigation. It's very, very helpful, hands-free and whatnot. And I'm a little bit worried now. So yeah, if you have any recommendation, please leave a comment down below. Let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.